मित्रांनो, पाठीमागे एक व्हिडिओ टाकलेला आहे पार्ट 1 म्हणून. तुम्ही ह्याच्या पाठीमागचा जो व्हिडिओ पाहिजे असेल तर तुम्ही चॅनलमध्ये जाऊन तुम्ही बघू शकता. मित्रांनो, चॅनलला तुम्ही नवीन आहात तर चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करून नोटिफिकेशन ऑल करून टाका. Golgi complex. It is made up of 5-8 hollow and fat sacs placed parallel to each other. These sacs are called constituent and are filled with different enzymes. The proteins coming from ER are enclosed in visuals which come towards Golgi complex via cytoplasm. They face with the formation face of the Golgi membrane are the empty layer contained in the constituent. As they pass through and constituent, they are chemically modified with the help of enzymes. They are again packed in the vessels. This vessels is just from the maturation phase. This train work like a packing department that packs and substances. Golgi complex ही डायग्राम आहे. यात नाव बघू शकता तुम्ही. Golgi complex चे फंक्शन खाली आहेत. 1 number, Golgi complex is the secretory organ of the cell. 2 number, it modifies shorts and packs materials, cytosines in the cell, enzymes, molecules, proteins, pigments, etc. and depletes them the various targets like plasma membrane, lysosomes, etc. 3 number, it produces variants and secretory vacuoles. 4 number, it helps in the formation of cell wall, plasma membrane and lysosomes. यहाँ पर इंडिकेशन ऑटो साइंटिस्ट Camillo Golgi described the Golgi complex from the first time and developed the stunning teaching called black reaction, and with the help of his studied meara system he won the Nobel Prize of 1906 along with the Stengo Kajal for the study of structure of nervous system. मित्रांनो, इथं लायसोसोम आहे. Can you tell what happened the agricultural waste after a few days when it is dumped in the compost pit? Due to around metabolic activities in the cell, organic waste in generated lysosome digest the waste. Lysosomes are simple single membrane bound sacs filled with the digestive enzymes. यांचे फंक्शन आहेत 10.10. यहाँ पर मित्रांनो लायसोसोमचे फंक्शन आहेत इथं. 1 number, immune system. It destroy viruses and bacteria that attack the cell. 2 number, demolition squads. It is the destroy burn out the cellular organelles and organ debris. Autolysis. 3 number, suicides bags when the cell becomes all the damaged. Lysosome burst and enzymes digest their own cells. 4 number, during starvation lysosome digest stored proteins fats. यहाँ पर आता इथे mitochondria. Can you tell which types of energy is required to run the fans compared the and electric bulbs? Where in the energy produced? Each cell requires energy, and this energy is produced in the mitochondria under the electron microscope. Mitochondria in seen and the double membrane structure. The outer membrane is produced and the inner membrane is diploid folder. This folder is called cluster, and the inner cavity is filled with proteins like matrix containing ribosomes, phosphate granules and the DNA. Therefore, it can produce the own proteins with the help of enzymes. Mitochondria oxide carbohydrates and fats in the cell. The energy reduced in the process is stored in the mitochondria is the fired from the of ATP. Advanced strip phosphate plant kills have less mitochondria the animal kills यांचे function as mitochondriaचे functions to one number to produce energy rich compound ATP, two number enzymes of the proteins, carbohydrates, liquids etc by using the energy in ATP. Do you know mitochondria is the absent in RBC due to this oxygen which the carried by them in not used the themselves. Yeah. Use your brain power. What is the benefit the folding of the inner membrane in mitochondria? Vacuoles are the storage sacs for solid liquids contacts where they don't have the types shapes inside the structure of the vacuoles and energy according to the of the cell vacuoles in bound the single membrane. Functions are one number to maintain the osmotic pressure of the kale. Two number to the store mitochondria my products and the products protein water etc. Thin number in animal cell and the store waste produce food while in the ammonia store from before digestion. 4 number in plant cell values are full or care was sap and fluid target regulate to them plastics. Why are plant leaves green, the flowers red, yellow, orange and blue? The orange lily which the given in colors in present only in the plant cell. In the cell placid have the double membrane in the of the two types. यहाँ पर दोस्तों अभी कलर ऑफ द प्लांट पार्ट पिगमेंट यहाँ पर अभी नीचे आपको ग्रीन क्लोरोपाई और ऑर्गन प्रोटीन येलो xanthophyte, पर्पल एथोस्नाइटिक डार्क पिंक बेटलेन्स. दोस्तों यहाँ पर मित्रांनो ही तुम्हाला रिकामी जागा सोडलेली आहे. मी सांगणार नाही. जर तुम्हाला माहीत असेल तर तुम्ही कमेंट करून मला पाठवू शकता. कमेंट करून टाका मला काय तिथं येत्या जागा रिकामी तुमच्या मनाने. 1 number Lascoplast white the colorless plastids. 2 number Chloroplast colored plastids. Chloroplast can the covered into other types of chloroplast e.g. raw green tomatoes turn due to breakdown of chlorophyll the scientists of lysosome. Interest my friend collected of the information about more colors observe the flowers and fruits and the responsible pigment and complete the above chart. क्लोरोपास्ट यहाँ पर क्लोरोपास्ट डेफिनेशन है यहाँ पर नहीं भाई सॉरी दोस्तों क्लोरोपास्ट की यहाँ पर देख क्लोरोपास्टची डायग्राम आहे इथं यात नाव बी दिलेले आहेत डायग्रामचे तुम्ही स्क्रीनमध्ये बघू शकता. क्लोरोपास्ट रीड करू. Activity: take the thin peel of the raw or cronton leaf and observe the chromoplast under the compound's microscope. Chloroplast is important of the photosynthesis process that taken place in the leaves. Chloroplast trusts solar energy and covers in the chemical energy. Stroma in the chloroplast contains enzymes DNA rhizosomes and chloroplasts that are the necessary photosynthesis. यहाँ पर क्लोरोप्लास्ट इथे मित्रांनो क्लोरोप्लास्टचे फंक्शन आहेत. 1 number फंक्शन क्लोरोप्लास्ट कवर solar energy and chemical energy food. 2 number chloroplasts give different colors of flowers in fruits. 3 number lysoscopes are evolved in the synthesis and the store of the food search oil and the proteins. Mitochondria the plastids can produce the proteins which all the reflected them leaves as they have their own DNA and ribosomes. After study and kill the kill organelles you must have come know that all the functions in a plant and small kill the taken place mostly due to kill organelles such developed kill the colored aquatic kills last year have the story prokaryotic kills of bacteria. Let is now compare them. वर मित्रांनो, ह्याचे जर एक्सरसाइज पाहिजे असेल तर तुम्हाला माझ्या चॅनलमध्ये जाऊन तुम्ही बघू शकता. याचे संधी एक्सरसाइज तुम्हाला मिळतील, गाईडमधले मिळतील, असे मिळणार नाहीत. म्हणजे गाईडमधले संधी एक्सरसाइज मिळतील तुम्हाला. यहाँ पर आता मी व्हिडिओ स्टॉप करतो. मित्रांनो, तुम्ही चॅनलला नवीन असाल तर चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा, म्हणजे तुम्हाला मी जे व्हिडिओ टाकतील ते तुम्हाला मी जे व्हिडिओ टाकतील ते तुम्हाला तुमच्यापर्यंत येईल. चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा दोस्तो. तर बाय दोस्तो.